Well, turning now to weather, Bill, as you mentioned, it is shaping up to be the hottest week of the year so far.
Yes, back in June, we had 8 100-degree days. The problem now is that we're going to get them consecutive, and now also the heat index is going to get dangerous. Also, the tropics, we're going to take a look at a system in the Caribbean that has potential. Debbie is going to be a flood threat for the southeast. Just read that it's moving at 3 miles per hour. That's the average walking pace of a human being. So moving that slow with the Atlantic right there, it's going to mean a ton of rainfall across South Carolina, North Carolina, up all the way up to New Jersey and New York in the coming days. All right, let's head outside on this Tuesday afternoon. We're at San Antonio International, where it's a pretty cloudy, hazy day, but no Saharan dust, 98. Feels like 101, so only a few degrees higher with that dew point in the mid-60s. So that's the difference. There's a nice takeoff right on cue. There we go. Godspeed on that flight. East-southeast, under 10 miles per hour. That's going to be a problem. I'll show you in a moment. First, highs today, we hit 98 in the city, but 103 at Pleasanton, 105 the high down I-35. They hit 103 in Del Rio. Several triple-digit highs, including Floresville's 102. New Braunfels made it up to 100. And with this high dominating over the coming days, remember, it's a sinking air motion. Just show you the wind speeds at 8 miles per hour. They're going to stay under 10 miles per hour. And what that's going to do is help cook up a lot of bad ozone at the surface. So tomorrow, an ozone action day. You have to do what you can to spare the air and reduce emissions tomorrow, Wednesday, August 7th. In the afternoon especially, it's during the daytime heating hours that when we put more emissions in the air, that we cook up a lot of bad surface ozone. Ozone is good up high, but it's bad nearby. So watch the breathing tomorrow, especially asthma sufferers, anyone with COPD in the afternoon. It's going to be air quality we'll watch closely. It could be unhealthy on Wednesday. It's going to be hot air on Wednesday. Look at this, feels like we're expecting tomorrow 108, and then again on Thursday 107. That's why both days, and then even into Friday, Saturday. Weather impact alert days, because these heat indices can get dangerous. You've got to limit your time outside, and if you're going to be out there, light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. And please, if you're going to be out there, drop off a brand new box fan at any San Antonio fire station. Project Cool continues. In fact, demand is up when this heat is on. All right, so to the tropics, here's the system I'm talking about. Central Caribbean, still about a 30% chance it becomes Ernesto. It's expected to move right across the Yucatan Peninsula into the Bay of Campeche, but it should stay south because of that dominating high. All right, 14-day forecast begins with 4 weather impact alert days because of the heat indices we expect through Saturday. Slight chance of rain, only 10%. Highs will be right around 100. No change on our second 7 of the 14, as we don't expect a chance of rain anytime soon. Nate Ryan, I am ready for some football, brother.